Welcome to Adventure in Art. My name is Ben Staley, your resident talking head. Gosh, folks, feels like I haven't really sat down and talked to you like this in quite a while. I've been busy. Do I even remember how to do it? Do I even know what the I'm doing? Yes. Hang on.
I can't see behind me. And Ben Staley, wherever Ben Staley's at. There's Ben Staley. Give it up for Ben Staley. We got a big crew of love and friends here.
Okay, so there's a couple things coming up in September that I want to share with you because I'm actually kind of excited about this. On September 12th, I'm going to be in Denver, Colorado at the FocusPoint Expo. This is put on by Mike's Camera, super cool camera store in the Denver area. I'm going to be doing a couple talks, but the big one I'm doing is about my recent, semi-recent in the last couple years, Backstage Portraits series. This is where I go to some pretty big festivals, I hang out with artists backstage, and I capture portraits and some intimate performance shots as well. So I'm just going to be sharing a whole bunch of that work with you. I'm going to be sharing stories, tips, and techniques, and how I drop into these worlds not really knowing anyone, and kind of getting next to some of these, actually in some cases, very iconic, award-winning, legendary artists, and try and get some intimate, classic, timeless portraits backstage. So that's what we're going to be talking about in Denver. If you're going to be in the area, September 12th, I would love to see you there. Put it on your calendar. And then a week later, September 19th, I'm going to be at Samys Camera. They're having a 50th anniversary celebration, and I'm going to be doing a little workshop. It's a 90-minute workshop where I'm going to be showing a recent film that I made called The Sailor. I shot this film with one camera, one lens, all in one day. It was a very intense experience. It's one of my favorite personal films of all time. So I'm going to show the film, and we're going to just do a deep dive on solo filmmaking, solo cinematic filmmaking. We're going to talk about gear and techniques and strategies and philosophy and storytelling and all the things. So if you're in Los Angeles, come by Samys on September 19th. All the info for both of these events is on my website. I'll put a link somewhere. You can find it. It's myname.com. I would really love to see you guys at some of these events. Yeah, cool. Come see me. Let's hang out. Let's high five. Let's tell some stories. We got that out of the way. I've been kind of busy, you guys. I've been kind of busy. Let me just update you a little bit. My coffee is getting cold. Kind of got cold while I was setting up here. I think I'm gonna need another cup soon. Maybe when I'm done recording this video. Okay, you don't care about that. Let's get to the point. It's been a strange year. I've got this big project in Alaska. If you've been watching the channel, I haven't been doing as much personal work, but I've been trying. I have been, in the last couple weeks, shooting portrait sessions again, and I haven't done any all year because I've been so busy. I've done 4 in the last 2 weeks, 10 days, something like that. And actually, each one of these sessions is going to be here on the channel, and they've all been different, totally different. They're getting progressively kind of better. Like I feel like I'm getting back up on step, or it's very natural for me to photograph someone with a camera, but I've just been doing other things all year, and so it's not like the muscle memory is a little bit atrophied, right? It's funny, I can see the progress and see the flow. And, you know, I just did the last one was yesterday morning, downtown Los Angeles. I'm really stoked about this one, but all these sessions are going to be on the channel coming up in the next, you know, month or two, whatever. I just roll stuff out as I get to it. I also recently shot the Warped Tour Unplugged stage in Long Beach. I just did one day. It was a 2-day festival. I went for the first day, hung out at the Unplugged stage, got actually some of my favorite artist portraits of all time. Leave me a comment and tell me if you want to see a video on that. There's not a ton of video of the actual festival and performances and things like I like to do, because the reason I went is I guess this is the first time I'm really talking about this. I'm making a documentary about my friends in Water Tower, who are this punk rock bluegrass band that you've seen on the channel for the last year and a half or so. And I've just been collecting this footage. I've been talking with them about this, and now I'm just, oh yeah, I'm doing this. So I rolled up to the Warped Tour in Long Beach with them and just mostly shot them all day. I shot some other stuff too, but I'm not gonna show you.
Take me back to the place where I'm from. Get turned in the dirt and the sun.
I'm saving that for the doc, which you're gonna see. I don't know when I'm gonna be done with it, but hopefully in the next year. I've got quite a bit of really good stuff. There's more coming. I need personal work like these projects, portraits, this doc project, to keep me going. It really fuels my fire while I have this big, massive other project that I'm doing that is paying my bills. That's great, and it's creative, and it's hard, and it's challenging, and it's all that, all the things, but I need the personal work. I need it personally to just like get up in the morning and to be fueled, and just, I need to express myself in the way that I want to express myself for myself. Anyways, am I making my point? Is that what this video is about? I think so. I think that's what this video is about. What's on my mind is I'm so busy. Like, I have a full-time project that keeps me very busy, sometimes very, very busy. And yet I am still trying to do this personal work. I've been doing these portrait sessions. I've been ticking away at this documentary that I'm stoked about. I have this other project I'm working on, which is from Africa last year, where I shot, I don't know, 5 or 6 hours of footage from Botswana for 2 months. And I have written the voiceover for this film that I want to make about Africa and what it meant to be, what it meant to me, and being there. And the footage is amazing. I shot it all with this Atlas anamorphic lens. It's some of my favorite footage I've ever captured. I'm trying to mold that into this film that I have in my brain. So I've been working on that, because I've had that stuff on a hard drive for over a year now, and that's pissing me off. Like, I don't let stuff sit around, if you noticed. I go out and I do a shoot, and then I deliver the work. And I think that's important. It's important to keep that cadence and just not have stuff sitting there, because new things come up, and I'm just like, I need to get this body of work done so I can move on to the next thing. I'm deep, elbows deep into this water tower doc. I want to get this Africa stuff off my hard drive. I want to deliver it. I want to show you guys. I want to show people a lot of this stuff that no one has ever seen. No one has seen it. I'm not saying it's award-winning and amazing. I'm just saying I'm struggling to do all these things at once. And then I'm also trying to do a rewrite on this feature screenplay. I work on that in the morning. That's kind of my first thing in the morning. Get up, do some stretching, do a little bit of writing in my journal. Then I work on the screenplay. Then I start my work day. But I've just been realizing in the last week, I'm just going, dude, I can't do all this. I can't do it all. And then trying to put out YouTube videos on a semi-regular, weekly, 3 or 4 a month I'm trying to get out. I'm trying to keep a regular cadence because the channel continues to grow and it's important to me and I like doing it. I just have a lot on my plate. I guess that's what I'm saying. And this video isn't here for me to complain about that. I like that. I like that. I like that I have all these creative things going on, and then a big project that's keeping me busy and paying the bills. But it's freaking hard and I'm tired. And I think I need to clarify, focus, hone in on what I really want to do, cut some things out. I think there's just, I don't have the bandwidth to do it all. And it's tough. Like, what do I want to cut out? So I guess it's like segmenting, right? I need to get this screenplay done. I want to get this Africa film done. I want to get the water tower film done. I want to do some portrait shoots because that's content for the channel and it's important to me. And I know you guys like that. And I like making those videos. They're the funnest videos for me. And then I have a regular job. I don't know, it's a lot. It's a lot. And then I'm trying to actually get in shape. My birthday's next month, which, you know, I used to never think about my birthday, but it's funny, the older I get, now it's like, oh, it's coming. Oh, it's coming. I'm gonna be a year older. Oh, shoot. One of these days I'm gonna have to start acting my age. Do you think? Yeah? Is this thing focusing on me, or is it focusing on the freaking light in the background? I don't know. If this thing is all out of focus, I'm gonna be pissed off. Yeah, it focuses, sometimes the camera focuses on this freaking light bulb back there, but I like the light bulb. It's hard to see, I got a monitor here. Anyways, thanks for watching. Leave me a comment. How do you guys manage all these different projects when you have them, all these different responsibilities? Then I just have like life stuff I gotta do, and there's a lot of stuff actually going on in my life that I'm not going to talk about because it's my life and it's personal, but life's very busy too. Yeah, it's a challenge. How do you manage it? I'm still figuring it out after 52 years of doing this. Well, of being alive. I haven't been doing this for 52 years. I didn't even start being a professional creative until my late 20s. So, you know, I've only been a professional creative half my life. I tried all kinds of other stuff. You've seen those videos if you're a diehard on the channel. I think it comes down to priorities. We have to, as artists, we have to choose where we're going to put our attention. And I need to do that better for myself, where I put my attention in my life so that I can actually accomplish the things I want to accomplish. Okay, let's discuss. There's going to be some more adventures coming up next. If you're going to be in Denver or Los Angeles, come see me. Let's hang out. Let's have a beer or let's high five. Yeah, come to one of my talks. Thanks for watching. Boy, I sure don't know how to close this, do I? I've been sitting here beating around the bush for like 2 minutes trying to close this video out. Yeah, the video's over. Thanks for watching. Appreciate y'all. See you soon.